Welcome to English Training. Today's news in English. June 1st, 2026. Let's begin. Air conditioner buyers are rushing ahead of Japan's 2027 problem, with some deliveries taking up to 3 months. The concern is that older products using certain refrigerants may face replacement pressure as environmental rules and supply limits tighten. For households, waiting until a heat wave arrives could mean higher prices, fewer models, and delayed installation. Retailers and installers are already warning customers to plan earlier than usual. The story shows how climate policy, summer heat, and supply chain capacity can meet inside one ordinary home appliance purchase. Japan plans to expand environmental reviews for mega solar projects to curb reckless development. Solar power is important for clean energy, but large projects can affect forests, slopes, water flow, scenery, and local communities. Stronger reviews may slow some projects, but they could also prevent landslide risks and conflicts with residents. The policy tries to balance renewable energy growth with safety and trust. Developers may need better site selection, clearer explanations, and stronger disaster prevention plans before construction. The issue shows that green energy still needs careful local governance. Smoke-free, odorless oral tobacco is raising hidden concerns over youth nicotine addiction and oral cancer. Because it does not produce smoke or a strong smell, use can be harder for parents, teachers, and workplaces to notice. Supporters may describe it as less disruptive than cigarettes, but health experts warn that nicotine dependence can still begin quietly. There are also concerns about marketing, flavors, and the mistaken belief that odorless means harmless. The debate highlights a new challenge for public health. Products can look cleaner while still carrying serious long-term risks. Arashi is holding its final performance as a 5-member group today, and fans are sharing messages of thanks. For many people, the group is connected not only to music, but also to television, concerts, dramas, and memories from different stages of life. A final performance can feel like a public event and a personal farewell at the same time. Social media messages show how strongly entertainment can become part of daily routine and identity. The moment marks the end of one chapter, while leaving a long cultural memory behind. SoftBank Group plans to invest 14 trillion yen in an AI data center project in France. The huge investment reflects global competition to secure computing power for artificial intelligence, cloud services, and next-generation digital infrastructure. Data centers need land, electricity, cooling systems, chips, and long-term energy contracts, so the project could affect both technology and regional development. France may gain jobs and strategic importance, while SoftBank seeks a stronger position in the AI infrastructure race. The scale shows how AI is becoming a capital-intensive industry, not just a software trend. That's all for today. Thank you for listening, and see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe for daily news in English.